The power of an experienced car accident attorney. In the blink of an eye, a car accident can change the course of your life. Suddenly, you're grappling with the aftermath, from physical injuries to emotional distress, and navigating the complex legal process can feel like an overwhelming challenge. This is where the guidance and expertise of an experienced car accident attorney can make all the difference. Understanding the role of an experienced car accident attorney. When faced with the aftermath of a car accident, it's essential to comprehend the critical role an experienced attorney plays in securing your rights and ensuring fair compensation. These legal professionals specialize in advocating for individuals who have suffered injuries or losses due to the negligence of others on the road. Navigating the legal complexity. The legal landscape can be intricate and overwhelming, especially when dealing with insurance companies and their tactics to minimize payouts. An experienced car accident attorney possesses the intricate knowledge and skill set required to navigate through the intricate maze of legal proceedings. They can effectively handle the paperwork, negotiate with insurance companies, and build a strong case to ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. Leveraging expertise and insight. With their wealth of experience, these attorneys bring invaluable insight into the legal system, enabling them to anticipate potential challenges and strategically plan your case. From gathering crucial evidence to presenting a compelling argument in court, they leverage their expertise to ensure your voice is heard and your rights are protected, providing much-needed support and guidance. Beyond the legal complexities, an experienced car accident attorney provides unwavering support and guidance throughout the entire process. They understand the emotional turmoil you might be going through and offer compassionate assistance to alleviate your burdens, allowing you to focus on your recovery with peace of mind. Ensuring fair compensation and justice. One of the key objectives of an adept car accident attorney is to ensure you receive fair compensation for your injuries, damages, and losses. By meticulously assessing the extent of your damages, including medical expenses, lost wages, and emotional trauma, they strive to secure a settlement that adequately reflects the impact of the accident on your life. The value of timely action. Time is of the essence in such cases. Seeking the assistance of a seasoned car accident attorney promptly can significantly enhance your chances of a successful outcome. Their swift action in gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and initiating legal proceedings can bolster the strength of your case and maximize the likelihood of a favorable resolution. In conclusion, the services of an experienced car accident attorney are invaluable when it comes to navigating the aftermath of a car accident. From providing expert legal counsel to offering much-needed emotional support, they serve as your advocate, ensuring your rights are upheld and justice is served. So, if you find yourself in the unfortunate event of a car accident, do not hesitate to seek the guidance of a trusted legal professional who can help you through this challenging journey.